Coming up in this Brightline update, this update takes a look at Brightline's running repair facility and some simulated service as they prepare for their relaunch of operations. We'll start at the running repair facility, more commonly known as Workshop B, north of downtown West Palm Beach. The mostly empty storage tracks here is a good sign, as it means 3 of the trains are out running as Brightline prepares to resume service. The main reason I was here though was to check in on BrightRed 2 after it arrived 2 days prior. Coming around the end of the building, and I was fortunate to find that it was partially sticking out of the building next to bright blue. The nose cone has not been attached after traveling across the country where the couple are exposed. In the background here, you can see the skyline of downtown West Palm Beach. Locomotive 113 is on this end of BrightRed. Bright Blue has had its paint scheme refreshed, including the updated lettering more prominently displaying the classes of service. On this side of the facility is the Florida East Coast Railway's West Palm Beach yard, which supports the local industries. The Florida East Coast Railway has 2 locomotives here representing their oldest and newest paint schemes. Behind the facility is a staging area where materials are stored for Brightline's expansion, including rail cars of ballast and signal equipment. Next we'll head to the south end of West Palm Beach at Gregory Road near the C-51 Canal. While I was primarily here to see some Brightline action, the first train to pass here was Florida East Coast Railway Train 206 with a load of rock out of Miami. A few minutes later, BrightGreen came by headed south. With Brightline resuming service between West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Miami on November 8th, they were running simulated services on this day to test the schedule and to train the crews. We'll head into downtown West Palm Beach near the station for the rest of the catches. Before I was able to get to a position with the sun on my back, BrightOrange departed south. BrightPink arrived shortly after that. About an hour later, here's BrightPink departing south. My final catch was the original BrightRed arriving into West Palm Beach. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.